I'm SanjayC, and this is Chordjam in 5 minutes, plus some bonus tips and tricks. Chordjam is a plugin that builds chord progression patterns. You can build your own from suggested chords, or you can have the built-in randomization features build them for you. Chordjam is great if you're not comfortable with music theory. It's also useful to spark inspiring chord progressions. Pretty good when you've got writer's block. The plugin needs to send the MIDI chords to another instrument in your DAW, so I've routed it to the Ableton piano and a Nexus synth preset. Choose a scale, scale type, chord type, trigger the robot, and you've got a random chord progression. Or you can choose chords suggested by Chordjam within the scale of your choice and build your own. I've turned on the infinite randomization feature on velocity and time, which changes the velocity of every note and the time the note is played every time the chord is triggered. Check it out. This gives the music an ongoing human-like feel, even if you've got the robot engaged. You can choose different pattern styles based on different genres. Basic stuff here, but it's probably all you'll need to get some chord patterns done. The sequencer is versatile. You can change the number of steps for longer progressions, the note divisions, lots of settings here. If you're new to music theory and chord arrangement, getting to know the sequencer will help you build your progressions. If you're already a pro, you'll probably just come to Chordjam to tinker a while to launch your creative process. Here's a tip. Arrange the time to trigger notes sequentially in a chord. This will produce a strumming effect. You can also use the Arps setting to play the chord sets in arpeggios. I will say this, if you stick with the basic scales, you can really come up with some interesting patterns for pop, EDM, and even R&B progressions. If you choose some of the more complex chord types, well, it got a bit too complex for me to find an inspiring launching point for my kind of music. Here's another tip. For popular genres, I find that the first 9 chord sets will give you some good song ideas, a good launching point for songwriters. The minor, major 7th in particular really sparked ideas for me. If you load up Chordjam on your first try this setting. You'll find some instant inspiration here. Chordjam has some additional features like key detection, savable presets, and MIDI dragging. It retails for $50, but watch my news reports on Saturday and I'll let you know where and when to find deals on the best plugins out there. You can check out more plugin reviews on my channel right here.